Okay, so this is my Mobius camera bought from Banggood. I have been using it for some months. Yesterday it stopped working and it doesn't want to power on. When it powers on, very rarely, it doesn't want to take any movies if I press the shutter button. Okay, so it's fully charged. I left it charging for almost 2 hours. The LED was green, indicating it was charging. But then, as you see, I can't turn it on. So I'm holding the power button pressed. Nothing happens. Okay, several times. It just doesn't react. The battery cannot be dead. It was charging for almost 2 hours with a green LED. Okay, so nothing's happening. I even tried to reset it with the reset button. It also doesn't help. I took a pin and reset it. Also didn't help. It just won't turn on. And if I connect it to the PC, let me just connect it. Okay. You can see it's charging the green LED. But it doesn't want to turn on. It should turn on automatically actually, but it doesn't want to turn on. And the PC says USB device not recognized. I've tried this on 2 PCs with 2 SD cards, the same error message. PC won't recognize it anyway, so I think it is dead. It didn't crash, it just stopped working. When I was filming, it didn't film anymore, and afterwards it didn't turn on. Thank you.